Want to start using the new Nintendo Store shopping app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the new Nintendo Store app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the Nintendo Store app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Nintendo Store in the search bar. Tap Nintendo Store when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start shopping on the Nintendo Store. That's all it takes to download the Nintendo Store app. Want to try out another online shopping app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.